Hello students, welcome to EduHub. In my previous video, we have learned what is a sentence, what is it made up of, and what are the kinds of sentences. Now in this video, we'll be learning how to divide a sentence into subject and predicate, or rather how to identify what the subject is and what the predicate is in a sentence. Let us see what are these parts of a sentence. When we make a sentence, number one, we name some person or a thing. And two, say something about that person or a thing. In other words, we must have a subject to speak about and we must say or predicate something about that subject. Hence, every sentence has two parts. Let us see what these two parts are. 1. The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about. This is called the subject of the sentence. The part which tells something about the subject. This is called the predicate of the subject. I hope you all understood now what a subject is and what a predicate is. Now let us go little further and see where the subject is in a sentence and how to identify it. The subject of a sentence is usually in the beginning of a sentence. Example, the earth revolves round the sun. In this example, you notice that the earth, we are talking about the earth, and that is in the starting of the sentence. But exceptionally, it is put after the predicate in some cases. For example, here comes the bus. Here we actually talking about the bus, but it is not in the beginning of a sentence, but it is in the end of the sentence. So there are occasionally cases wherein we put subject in the end of the sentence. In imperative sentences, the subject is left out. Now let us try and understand this with the help of some examples. Number 1. Sit down. Here, the subject, you, is understood, although you is not used in the sentence. Let us see one more example. Thank him. Here, the subject, you, is understood, although you is not used in the sentence. I hope you all understood now how to identify a subject in a sentence. The remaining part of the sentence is obviously predicate. Now, top tip of the video. In the previous slide, I have explained you how in case of imperative sentences, subject is left out. Now, what is this imperative sentence? Let us understand. It is a type of a sentence that gives instructions or advice and expresses a command, an order or direction or a request. Like in the previous examples, sit down, thank him. In those sentences, they are commands or advices given. So students, I believe that you all have understood what is being explained in this video, subject and predicate. Now in my next video, you can take a test how well you have understood the concept of subject and predicate. Until then, stay tuned and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you very much for watching my video.